Alright, on number 3 it says graph the inverse of the relation, identify its domain and range of the inverse. So, in order to do the inverse, you just got to flip the x and the y values. So I already did that for you. I switched the x and the y values. So for example, the coordinate where it was x equals 1 and y equals 2, now we have x equals 2 and y equals 1. And I already graphed those as well. The real thing I want to talk about is this domain and range. Now, domain and range, for problems like this, you only have the finite set of points that you're working with. So you can't go beyond that. So when we're talking domain, we're almost always talking about our x values, whatever our input is. In many cases, they're our x values. In this case, our lowest x value is 0, and our highest x value goes all the way up to only 4, I guess, so it's not too high up. So this is for our inverse, so the blue graph. And then for our y values, for our range, the lowest it goes is -1. The highest it goes is up to 7. I made a mistake slightly there on the domain. That should be less than or equal to in all those cases. So it goes between 0 and 4 for the x's, and between -1 and 7 for the y's.